back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Saturday night special. Jomo is wearing the Bulls t-shirt. Oh my God. Oh my God.
MJ all along the way, Mr. Man. The days of
Woo!
Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, and more and more. Those were the days, man. Those were the days, man. Man, what do we have today? It's a Saturday night special.
Yeah,
What
we're
do
gonna do we're gonna do a Crypto Galaxy prediction review, and then we're gonna tell you guys what we really think about KASPA for 2025, and can it go to $5? Can it go to $7? Come on, let's look on the short, man. Let's look on the short. This is a baby boy's food. You gotta see it, guys. I think this is the chart. All right, let me know if you see it.
we see it?
I believe we got the bull run coming back in June or July, and then at that point, KASPA will be on the brink of 20 cents. It'll have a quick pump to $1 or $2, have another short-term correction, and it's going to have another huge pump to $7 with some big news like smart contracts combined with a Coinbase or Binance listing. I think KASPA hit $7. KASPA will probably hit $5 or $7 this year, and then I think in the next bull run, like in 2029, it could hit $100. So the major pumps for KASPA, I believe, is gonna be in the top of the bull run, and then next bear market, it's gonna die for like a year. I think KASPA will pump to $7 and then just consolidate around $1.
Oh my God, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. So basically, the guy is saying $7 this year, man. $5 to $7 this year. Yeah, you have another half a year remaining to the year. Yeah, you need to go up. We're gonna calculate it. $5 to $7 this year and $100 the next cycle. Okay, okay.
$100. You know what I love about him? How he is so nonchalant about, oh, Casper is going to have a quick pump from 20 cents to $1. Whoo! Like, quick pump, man.
What the fuck? Like, man, this guy is on steroids or on TRT or on something, man. He's on
Uh,
something, man. And I don't know what he's doing, but I want some as well. But look, man, you gotta give it to Crypto Galaxy, man. I like Crypto Galaxy. Remember, this is YouTube, this is entertainment. No one is really forcing his audience to buy into his nonsense. As a 40-year-old man or as a 50 or 60 or 20, you have the judgment, the personal capacity to actually, hey, to make a decision. You don't have to really, oh, Crypto Galaxy says it's going to $7, so it's going to $7. I'm gonna sell my wife and my house, and I'm gonna put 500,000 into KASPA. No, man. No, man. People don't understand. YouTube is entertainment. By the way, guys, everything we say is not a financial advice. We're not a financial advisor. We're just crypto traders. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, drop a question. If you have any question, we're gonna start
Bell.
with the KASPA chart, sir. Let's start with the KASPA chart, man. Show you what I think about KASPA.
Yeah, show the Casper shirt. By the way, Jump Man is saying that he loves the shirt. Jump Man, I'm with you, man. I'm
Jumpman,
with
Jumpman,
you. No,
Jumpman.
it's Jump Man. It's Jump Man. So
Yeah,
it's
jump.
Jump Man.
Yeah,
Sure. Well,
Jumpman, man. He
all
like he
right,
likes
man.
to
I don't
jump.
know. My eyes were.
Your eyes are cooked. Anyway,
My eyes are cooked.
man,
Jump
Kaspa,
Man.
this guy is calling for $7. All right. For me, man, I will be happy. Really, I will be happy if Kaspa can break above 20 cents this year. Okay. This guy is calling in July or June for the price to be above 20 cents. Okay. So that's a serious statement, man. That's a serious statement because look, Kaspa, man, Kaspa, we're now entering June, okay? We're now entering June. If Kaspa Bulls will not push it back above the 200, and when we're going to get a golden cross, there is very low probability you're going to hit the 20 cent area in July. There is very low probability. You got to see this thing coming up above, hold above. Again, we broke below this major area that people don't watch. Like this area of support and resistance. You broke below it now. You have to reclaim it for it to go back into the bull mode. And and then you need to start, stair stepping. You have this resistance, you have this resistance, you have this resistance, and you have tons of resistance overhead. So for me, it will be lovely if KASPA can retest again, only retest the area of the top in this fall. I'm not thinking it's going to happen even this summer. I think maybe in the fall, if all the stars align. You know what I mean? This is and the guy's calling for $7. Man, let me show you the $7 what the guy is telling you. Okay, guys, really, this is insanity. Okay, look, the price, this is $7. Okay, $7. Bam, look at this. Okay, this is where we are today. Bam, the guy is calling for KASPA to go another 80x, another 80x. Okay, 80x, that means another 8,000%. That means he's calling for KASPA to basically go from now, what's the market cap, 4 billion, something like 4 billion, 3 billion. So he's calling for KASPA to go to 240 billion market cap to flip XRP this year. This is insanity, man. This is delusional hopium. Man, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen.
Look, CM, I have to add something here because we have a dude coming. His name is Joao Lamy, and this is what everyone tells me about. Why are you laughing? Matic went from 6 cents to $3 in a couple of weeks last cycle. Always with the Matic thing. Look,
The Matic.
first of all, it happened, but I want to show our audience why this is different. Okay, look. CM, allow me, okay? So this is the Matic move, okay? By all accounts, okay, a beautiful move. As as they said, from he said 6 cents. It was here, yeah, 6 cents all the way to the $3, okay, which is a 384%, let's call it, okay? In a couple of weeks, very true. People don't understand the differences between last cycle and this cycle. Okay, so two main differences. First of all, there's a difference in the cycle itself. And second of all, there's a difference in what this coin broke out of, okay, initially. This was, and I'm going to start with the coin, okay, CM. This coin was kind of a new coin in the end of the bull market, right? It went sideways. I think this is a Coinbase chart. I don't know if I have any like older charts, okay? So I'm going to go by this chart. It went sideways and broke out from kind of an accumulation, very short neglect stage into a last bull market move that happened. Okay, and again, this is where the cycle is different. This was at the peak. Okay, this was at the peak move. Okay, peak move of what was the biggest printing of money in the history of humankind. Okay, the humankind never printed, even if you take all the money printing ever and you compare it to just 1 year in 2020, I think it was less than 1 year. They printed so much freaking money. The market, right, the market in 2020, 2021 wasn't a regular market. It was a banana market. All right, huge liquidity. Again, CM, everyone at home, they don't have anything to spend. They're getting money, helicopter money to their hands. What are they doing? They put all that money in shitcoin, NFTs, crypto, all the BS stuff. Okay, so people must understand, CM. You need to compare apples to apples. You can't take a watermelon, which was 2020, 2021, and compare it to the apples, maybe grapes that you're getting right now with quantitative tightening in the past few years, inflation. It's a different animal. It's a different animal, Sam. This is not the same thing. And this was a new coin here, okay? KASPA is not a new coin anymore. KASPA is, already three years old, something, Sam, I don't know, almost 2.5 years,
And
something like
the and the price exponential move of KASPA is already priced in, man. People
yeah, exactly.
completely delusional. It's like
Exactly.
it's like KASPA didn't had a 2022 and 2023 a 1000x. It's like KASPA didn't have. KASPA had 1000x, man. KASPA had 1000x, man, priced in, and people are like, hey, it's gonna do another 1000x. It's like people think it's like a candy shop, you know? They go into the candy shop, you know, and mommy, I want 1000x. Okay, boy, take 1000x. Mommy, I want another one. Take one. Come on, man. Grow up, man. Grow up, man. Jao. What's his name? Jao. Jao Laney. Grow the F up. What are you?
Joao.
Joao. Man, this sounds Portuguese. Portuguese should have some brains, man. Come on. Go or go tell your mommy to stop with the candies or grow the F up. It's not gonna happen. The price explosion for Caspa is priced in. Period, man. It's not gonna do another 1000x. Forget about it.
Yeah,
By the
I
way,
don't think
Jao.
so.
By the way, Jao. Go to your mommy, ask for some pocket change, buy yourself the Crypto Gem Hunter now. Join us next week. We are hosting a webinar. We're gonna give you a list of coins that can go bananas. Yes, you want to talk?
Man, yeah, no, I want to finish what you're saying, and then I want to talk. Finish.
We invite you all, guys, all Caspa hodlers, to join our Crypto Gem Hunter webinar in the 4th of June. Okay, we're going to show you coins that we believe are about to make amazing moves in 2025. We're going to give you a watch list of the best coins. We're going to give you a strategy on how to trade them, when to trade them, you know, for the best returns, the best profit, the best potential. We're going to keep you we're gonna change your mindset, man. Make you a trader mindset. That's what we want. We want to educate people, help people really understand, because man, this cycle is vicious. We just talked, me and Jomo on the phone. We saw this last 2 weeks at least 10 rug pulls. 10 rug pulls of new coins that got rugged completely. Man, this cycle is nasty, man. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can end up wrecked. Wrecked in like this. You know?
Man, look, we have people here actually asking us if we're new to crypto, man. People don't remove the banner, CM. Look, I have even a better lesson, and then we're gonna go to those people that kind of is trying to say, look, you know what this is, CM? You know what this is? This is actually the start of Matic, okay? And I'm going to compare Matic, okay, to KASPA very fast and very quick, okay? I don't have here all my things, all my, rectangle. So look at this. This rectangle here is the beginning of Matic, CM. This looks like ZVCN actually, right now. This was the stage, the first neglect phase, the ICO, IPO, whatever you want to call it, neglect phase. Then it went into an amazing stage 2, CM. Okay. This was the bull market, an amazing bull market for Matic. Okay, all the from here all the way here. It made a 5,000%, then made a marginal higher high, after the move up, and then
Cooked.
since then cooked. Okay, but look, I'm going to agree with people. This was a beautiful move, but again, you had the stage 1 neglect, and again, I don't have my things here. You had the breakout here of the stage 1 neglect. Then you had a sideways action here, okay? And this is where people say that it went from 5 cents, to the $2 or whatever, okay? This is not what's happening right now on KASPA, okay? All this, let me try to find, all right, all this area, all this, CM, this was the stage 2 uptrend of Matic, okay? Now, let me take everyone to the KASPA chart, because people need to understand what is the difference between the things, because the things is very, very different. I'm going to first go to the chart. I'm going to put it here. Very different things, okay? Let's go back to this chart now. KASPA, okay, perfect. This is KASPA now, okay? This is KASPA now. After a huge stage 3 topping on the way down, now kind of got rejected. Okay, can it move up? Yes, it can move up. But Matic, okay, the move on Matic we just showed didn't come after it topped and then went down. It came from the inception, right? Just like what happened here, right? This was the inception. And look, KASPA actually smoked, very much the same move. Let's see from here, the breaker was here. Yeah, even more, like an 80x CM, even stronger. If I put it, I need to put it on the log chart to see it better. But this
100x, man, 1000x. It made 1000x. I looked on the big picture for sure, man. I can show you the
okay,
big picture chart.
amazing. But all this was the uptrend. Okay, this is people are comparing again. I'm trying to show you the move here was the same move on Matic that it happened. Okay, so yes, as you said, from here, okay, to here it made a move, but from here, this is not the same thing whatsoever. Not the same thing whatsoever. People need to understand there's a big difference between where Matic was once it broke out from the 6 cents to the $2, the difference in the cycle as well, and where KASPA is right now, which is at the backside of a huge bull market.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
as you said. All right.
Yeah, man. This guy is calling for like KASPA to do Ethereum. Man, you can do whatever you want, man. You can believe, you can be naive. We're just not buying into it. Again, can
This
it
is the guy
happen?
that told us that we're new to crypto, asking us
Yeah,
as if.
yeah, yeah. Mr. John Doe is a bit wacko, man. He's not. He's a bit. He's lost in his own mind, man. $1 maybe. You know what? $1 maybe. But wait. First, we need to break 20 cents. We need to hold above 20 cents. We need evidence, man. We need evidence. At the moment, we're not getting evidence of bullishness of the coin that is bullish, like KASPA was in 2023 and 2022 when
Yeah.
it was bullish.
Very
We're not
bullish.
getting it at the moment, man. That's the truth. You're not getting anything like that, man. So for me, I'm skeptical till I see evidence that is okay, man. Let's go. I need to see what I'm looking in bullish coins for me to be bullish. At the moment, KASPA, you can see how it got hammered in the last couple of days, like out of nothing, man. That shows you that the big daddy of KASPA is not buying. The big daddy is selling. The miners, I don't know who is selling. Someone behind the insiders, they're dumping into any relief rally that you get. You see, there is a chance Jomo just made another lower high inside its bear market. Who knows,
Yeah.
man? Who knows, man?
We don't know.
So these people, oh, $7, $5. What's $7? What's $7? $7. Hey, man, oh boy. I have 1320 KASPA coins. What do you expect? How much will it go this year? Ooh, man, told you, if we break 20 cents, hold above 20 cents, I consider it we're very lucky. And then you can start a move probably to the 50 cents, maybe to the dollar. Again, we're gonna keep you posted as it unfolds. Keep in mind, you have a window of opportunity now for KASPA when Bitcoin is bullish. Once Bitcoin will stop be bullish at some point, whether it's gonna happen in the 150, in the 130, in the 180, the 200. Once Bitcoin stop being bullish, you better watch how KASPA is reacting, okay? Because once Bitcoin topped, usually the cycle top, okay? The cycle top and everything top with Bitcoin. So at the moment you have a window of opportunity. Don't be naive to think KASPA can just cruise into the $7 while Bitcoin is triggering a bear market. Okay? Don't be naive, sir. Don't be naive.
Yeah. By the way, CM, let's make a small kind of educational moment from all the John Doe, comments. He's saying, he said, again and again, he's comparing like one of the strongest cycles of 2017, Ethereum to right now. Okay. He said, look at the chart. Look, John, we know what we do. Okay. We are on charts for years. You said $900 Bitcoin. I'm earlier than you are. Okay. Now, I'm not trying to flex here, but I'm trying to teach you. What you're trying to tell me here, okay, that I need to look at Ethereum when and the cycle it had. I'm assuming what you want me to look at is this area over here, okay? And you're trying to tell me that because this area over here was a consolidation sideways and then it continued, I'm assuming that you're trying to tell me that KASPA, okay, is going to do the same. This is not the same thing, okay? This is not the same thing. Look what happened here, okay? I'm just and again, you say you're here from 2016. It's apparent you have zero education about technical analysis and price action, okay? So you can learn. It's okay, okay? It's never late. This, okay? You can see all these higher lows. This is an important, aspect. You always had higher lows, and this was a contraction volatility. Okay, this is called a pennant. Very easy. Then it broke out of the pennant. This was a few months. Then it continued. Was beautiful. Okay, this is called the base. Okay, this on the other hand was the stage 3 topping. Okay, what happened after the stage 3 topping? Okay, because all this was the uptrend. This is the top phase. It went down afterwards. Okay, so you're trying to school me over here. I'm going to educate you about this. Now let's look at KASPA again, just to make sure that you understand, okay, Mr. John Doe, because it's apparent you need to understand. You see here that initially, maybe initially you can say this was higher lows, but look what happened. Boom, 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 boom. And not only you had all these lower highs, lower lows going down, okay? This is not the same. This area, on the other hand, was very much like Ethereum in 2016,
Exactly.
2017. Okay, you see these higher lows, okay, boom, this was a small contraction, boom, breakout, continuation. Dude, okay, if you come to our channel and you try to bash us and try to kind of school us, at least educate yourself about us. We've been here for a while. This channel is here since 2019, okay, the channel itself, and we've been here prior to opening the channel. Okay, so we try to educate people, even if they come with a little bit of flexing and ego. We show them, hey, this is how you do price action. This is how you learn. And this is the basic stuff, CM. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Yeah, man. You have people in this space. They think they know something. They don't know shit. If we compare the Ethereum to Kaspa, the guy is a mega clown, and gives an F about him. Anyway, yes, ZBCN is where Kaspa is at 20. Exactly, man. ZBCN is actually look like Matic on the breakout. It looks like many, many super performers coins that just started the bull market. ZBCN is now starting a bull market. That's why we are very bullish on ZBCN. While Kaspa looks like it topped out, as long as it's below 20 cents, it is topped out to me, man, because this whole thing is a mega top. Like you see the chart looks so bad. The only thing that can flip this chart upside down is a breakout to new highs. That's it.
It can happen, which can happen,
Which
which
can,
can happen.
which can happen, of course, absolutely, and it should happen because KASPA is a daddy, is a banger, is a great coin, great community, nice narrative, everything line up. They have the guy, the developer, la 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 la. Anyway, it should pump, man. It should pump, and it's actually relatively new coin. It should pump, but is it a guarantee? No, man.
No.
There is no guarantees. People need to understand there is no guarantees your coin will continue with Bitcoin. You can see what's happening in this cycle. Bitcoin just going up. All the other altcoins are crap. Trash, man. Trash. Absolute trash, man.
We want it to go up, by the way. It's every time someone new comes to our channel that thinks we're bashing Caspa. Man, we love Caspa. Caspa made us a lot of money, man. And he says later that we're not bullish enough of Caspa, okay? Look, John Doe and everyone here, we love Caspa. We are bullish only on one thing. We're bullish on making money. Okay, that's the only thing we're bullish about. Me and CM, I said it many times. I'm a coin gold digger. If the coin is not making me money, I don't care. MJ.
The bears are coming. MJ is bearish. MJ is bearish, man. Jomo, Michael Jordan is bearish, man. maybe we need to reassess. Maybe we need to maybe he's
Hey,
right.
there's a probability, there's a certain possibility this was a double top, man. Who knows?
It's Michael Jordan, man. It's not it's
It's
not it's
Michael
not a
Jordan.
regular dude, man. It could be significant.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
definitely. Most definitely, man.
MJ, you are wrong. BTC doing a cycle low now and will pump soon to 120, 150. Yeah, could be, man. Time will
Could
tell. We
be.
are bullish on Bitcoin. We believe it's going higher. It's going to 150 minimum. That's what I believe.
Just to make sure people understand our stance, we believe that right now, with all the evidence that we have in front of us, we're probably going to continue up. Okay. But we're going to adapt to new information. Okay. That's what we do. We adapt. Mr. Why So Serious CM is asking, voila, that thing has to drop hard before shooting star. Is this a French accent? That thing has to drop hard before a
To drop
shooting
hard, man.
star.
Merde. Merde.
Merde, bastarde.
Merde. We like French. I like French people. They're cool.
I
They're
love
cool.
everyone, man. I love everyone.
This altcoin season will be different. The good coins will pump much more than the duds. People are smarter, and the money supply, yeah, is much more than the previous cycle. KASPA is not out of the bag yet. Mr. Brad Noor, thank you, sir, for coming to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for giving us your amazing comment here. Like, subscribe, click the bell. And by the way, sir, if you want to really be in the coins that are going up, for sure, buy yourself the webinar next week, man. We're going to show you coins that are much more likely to explode in the continuation of this bull market. We're going to outline for you all of them in a chart where you want to put in your buy, where you want to enter, what you need to look for, everything outlined. Make sure this is the best webinar for crypto traders and investors. Whether you are an investor or a trader, this webinar is voila, seigneur.
Voila.
Mwah.
Voila.
This
Hey, guys, look, everyone, I think a lot of people coming here now, look, I think they're new to KASPA, actually. I think this is John Doe, man, and whatever, they found KASPA now in whatever. Maybe I'm wrong here because, I don't want to put things in the mouth. Maybe not. But KASPA, me and CM, we traded KASPA since March 2023. So he's saying that the dude comparing ETH is a bot. No, he's a real man. We've been trading KASPA since 2023, CM. March 2023, we've been trading KASPA, okay? When KASPA was a new coin coming to the market, new bull market, everything was new. People weren't aware about it just yet, okay? So right now, we believe that there are new coins that are going to outplay most of the coins, okay? Meaning, yes, we believe KASPA, look, Bitcoin continues, breaks to new all-time highs again, goes to 120, 150, whatever, everything is going to get love, KASPA included, okay? We're going to trade it 100%. We're just saying, where's the likelihood to make another 10x? Okay, is it on KASPA, which is a coin that already had a cycle? It did had a cycle, had a top, had everything, or newer coins that people don't really know about, didn't trade about, not positioned into just yet. Our experience shows that the newer coins, the gems that you don't know about, those are the ones that have higher probability to make outrageous super performance gains, okay? Just like KASPA in 2023, guys, but we're in 2025 now. 2 years have passed and we are already in the forefront of what's the new gems, okay? So definitely scan the QR code. Hey, you have it in the upper left side, at least of my screen, okay? Or in the middle, scan the QR code. Hey, it's in 4 days from now. If you are really serious, okay, really serious about educating yourself a little bit about how to find KASPA in the inception, ZBCN just broke out a couple of days ago, like a week ago, we took it, and more and more and more trades where no one knows about them just yet, you should definitely take, Crypto Gem Hunter. It's in 4 days from now, limited, spots, so we don't have that many already left. So better take a spot as fast as possible. And we're giving you a gift, Gem15 Gem coupon code. Use it. It's a 15% off. Come, you're gonna be very happy you came. You know, all the people that come to our seminars always are extremely happy. And of course, we're going to share our list, CM, for people so they can see the list of bangers we believe are going to outperform in the next couple of months. CM already created a beautiful list. By the way, in the last seminar, CM, you told about ZBCN to all the people in the seminar before it broke out. If
Free money,
anyone came to the
free
seminar
money.
and watched it, they quadrupled and tenupled, whatever you call it, the money they invested, man.
Christoph was one of these people that came to the webinar, got ZBCN, printed money, and then bought himself a membership in the community. Amazing, amazing job, man. Really amazing job. Bam, take a trade alert, boom, print filthy money, sold at the top. The guy sold at around the 6th level. Let's look on the ZBCN, man. ZBCN is the daddy now, man. ZBCN is the daddy, man. Let me look on ZBCN a little bit, man. I need my daily intake. Man, it is holding. It is holding, man. It's what a
It's
beast. What
it's a
a
beast.
beast, man.
It's a
What
beast, man.
a
It's a beast.
beast. I can't believe I sold on and I closed my position anyway, my runner here at this level. And man, what a beast. I really hope it will give us some sideways, man. Man, if it's doing some sideways here like that, wow. I'm going all in. I'm going all in, man, if it's doing something like that, man. You know,
Well, past precedents show that it's going to do somewhat of a sideways sooner than later, man. But it's so strong, man. It's just it's a monster. It's a Zebasian, man.
Zebasian. I
It's a
have
Zebasian.
other chart looks it's always looking different, but anyway, yeah, it's
Most of the volume is in Bybit, over $100 million last 24 hours on Bybit futures, man.
Futures. Okay, I have it. Yeah, so Bybit sending it. Yeah, wow, what a yeah, man. Anyway, it will be amazing, man, if it can do here like a side. Give me a couple of days. It don't have to be a couple of days like this with these hammers. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're gonna ramp up. We're gonna smoke it, man. That will be amazing, amazing opportunity to grow the accounts, man. It's such an amazing trade, man.
Yeah, and for all the trolls and haters that maybe need to watch and see, all right? Okay. Oh no, this is not what I wanted to show. Sorry, this was the chart. I want them to see, the trades that we took. This is it. Okay. This is the trade on ZBCN, okay, from May 21st. Okay. Told them exactly at which point to buy, have a stop loss, always have risk management. We always have risk management, position sizes, take profit strategy. This is the chart, okay? Just to make sure you see the chart. This is the enlarged chart. You see, we saw a stage 1 neglect breakout from a horizontal resistance. We teach what this means. Boom, breakout, and it went 200 and something percent ever since. Very, very strong, very ferocious. This is the trade for our members. So anyone, definitely check, the membership as well, or at least the Gem Hunter, because you don't want to miss it, man. We have those trades over and over and over again. Different names, same setups. Different names, same setups, man, all the time.
Yeah, guys, if you want us to look on any coin, please drop it in the chat now. If you have any question, regarding trading, drop it now in the chat. We're gonna wrap it soon. Jomo is hungry. And he have a date with his wife.
Exactly.
Some flicky after all the last gains we made. So the wifey want to give him
She's
some
happy, man.
cheeky,
She's happy. She's
Yeah.
happy. Look, GWAT coach is saying no guarantees in crypto, no guarantees in life. Definitely, Mr. GWAT, right? No guarantees in crypto, no guarantees in life. It's uncertain. We don't know what can happen. It can go down, it can go up. Right now, no edge about it, okay? So that's what I have to say. CM, you have anything to add about it?
No, man. Here is Christoph, was in our webinar. Boom. Bought at 1.9, as we said. And
3x, man. He did a 3 freaking X. He did more money than I did. Man,
yeah, he nailed it. He nailed it, man.
He nailed it, man. Good.
I sold it too soon, man. I sold
it soon.
I took profits too soon. I didn't.
We took profits.
But
exactly.
yeah, man. man.
And by the way, there's a dude throwaway account before Christoph. He says, "Can Cass still do a 10x?" Look, throwaway, and this is for everyone. Before we wrap up, smash and cook the like button. This is educational and entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Cook the like, smash it, scan the QR code, go check it out. For you, Mr. Throwaway, and for everyone, anything can happen in the markets. All of a sudden, the Fed can print money again, everything turning bullish, everyone buying KASPA, and it will do a 10x. We don't know. Okay, we don't know, but you don't know either. Okay, so people that are trying to bank that this will happen, saying this is a certainty, okay, no, it's not a certainty. Okay, right now it can actually go lower. Can it make another lower low? Well, the chart is actually saying that we had another lower high, okay, on the chart. It got rejected from a trend line. It's below the 10 cents again. Things are not looking good whatsoever, okay, for KASPA. So it can go down below the 5 cents and it can go above the 20 cents. What me and CM are saying, hey, before it goes 10x, we want to see evidence it can go to all-time high. Clear and simple. We are patient, okay? We are patient, sitting down, waiting. If it breaks above the 13 cents, then breaks above 20 cents, we will reevaluate and see maybe it can make those gains. But for now, okay, anything can happen, and the uncertainty means it can go down. CM, what are you happy about?
Man, Mr. Wolverine, man, is a great guy. He's been a supporter of the channel for many years, and also, he's been a member, before. He says that he made 5K on the Zibek call, was in the group before, but he canceled because work demands. Now he's tired of being a slave. Joining the group today and grabbing the gem hunter. Join us, sir. Join us, sir. Join us, sir. Join us. We welcome you.
Come back.
We welcome you,
Come
sir.
back, Wolverine. Come back.
Will you look at virtual and ZBCN? Yes, sir. We do. We looked at it, but we look at it again. Oh, let's look on virtuals, okay? Let me show you the virtual. One second. Virtual. Well, look, virtual had let me go regular scale. Okay, look, virtual. Look, I'm bullish on virtual. I want to see how it will close this weekly candle tomorrow. If it closes like that, that's look very toppy to me, and I'm gonna be very happy about it. I want to see it coming back down, pulling back, create a higher low on the weekly, like another base before another leg up. That's what I'm looking for on virtuals. If you look at it on the daily chart, again, if Bitcoin roll over from here, it's probably done. It's probably topped out. Yeah, it looks. Let's look to get the. Yeah, you got the bearish divergence here. This is a daily chart. Look at the divergence here of the bear. Why is this here? And you can see the market went higher. You can see that was a top, higher high, and another higher high. Okay, the RSI high, lower high, and another lower high. That's bearish divergence. It will top out eventually after this move. Hopefully, it's going to happen in the next couple of weeks, and then we're gonna hopefully see a retrace, maybe some bottoming, and boom, continuation. I hope it will do a bullish retest, and not really get wrecked like a scam. You know what I mean? So that's virtuals to me. Obviously, it's one of our trades that we're always monitoring in the community. So if you like to trade virtuals, by the way, we smoked it. We bought it at 85 here, and we rode it all the way pretty much to here. So that was amazing, like 150% or something like that. That was amazing. That was the best trade since until the ZBCN of the last rally. That was the best trade in the community. So yeah, if you like to trade it, make sure you join the community because I love virtual, man. I love it. And now ZBCN, man, we looked at it many times. I hope it's topping out. I really hope it's topping out. And Jomo, this looks like a spinning top. This candle before that. Oh, it depends how the candle we have today will close. If the candle we'll have today will close below it, or like in the red a little bit in the red, to the 50s or whatever, or that's a spinning top. candle, and it can be a top. It can be a top. I'm hoping for a top because I want to see something like that, for like a couple of weeks, and then load up on another ZBCN trade, my friend. Oh my
Definitely.
man.
Definitely, man. That's what we're looking for. We need that to happen in order to go balls deep, man. I'm right. Oh, he's in, man. I saw him. He's in. He said he's in. So, hey, Happy Wolverine is in the crypto gem, ladies and gentlemen. Just signed him right now. You guys should do that as well. Listen to Happy Wolverine. He made 5K, okay, because he came to our seminar, he listened to us, and now we listened to another seminar. Why? Because we helped him educate, find the coins, and trade them. So scan the QR code just like Happy Wolverine did, okay? You won't regret it. You'll be very, very happy you did. Very happy you did. I'm trying to find. Here it is. Yeah, here it is, CM. I wanted to help a little bit find this for everyone to make sure that they understand what you've been talking about. So this is CM's trade, okay, from April 25th on virtuals, okay, April 25th. This is the chart. You can see April 25th here in the top. He bought the breakout of the 82.5 cents. Okay, this is the first CM trade on virtuals. All right, join his community if you want more virtual trades for sure. Join the community, whatever, just join. Virtual trade on the 82.5, as CM just said and showed to everyone. Amazing entry, CM. That was a very good trade by you, man. Very good trade. What
Man.
is Junior saying? Hey, Junior, como vai? Tudo bom? Você é do Brasil o quê?
How the hell did you get to the conclusion that his Junior is Brazilian? I don't know.
I don't know, man. I mean,
Yep.
there's like there was a football player, a soccer player named Junior Brazil.
Junior de Brazil. Well, he says that we speak facts, can't use opium when trading on investing. Have a good day. Have a good day, Junior. Bom fim do semana. Bom fim do
Bom fim
semana.
de semana.
John Doe, you are correct. However, the diamond in the rough is Conan KRC20 coin. It will be the oh man, I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm tired of round trips and missing opportunities. Your philosophy and find them, feel them, fuck them, forget them, resonates with me. Boom,
Exactly.
shakalaka. This is the attitude, man. The guy's been in the space for minimum 3 years. I know him minimum 3 years, man. And he saw it everything, and you can see the guy have brains. Some people just don't have brains. They cannot understand. But this guy, okay, he probably tried KASPA, or he tried this coin or this coin, and then he round trip, and now he's done. He's done. He got to the point of no return. I call it. Like what happened to me in 2018 when I was deep buying scam coins that went to zero. Okay, so he got to the point that he had enough. He had enough. Wolverine had enough. He's not gonna be married anymore to any coin. He's gonna trade them. They are all just another chart, another trade. Nothing more. No emotion. Bam, bam. Execute. Take your profits. Move on. Bam. That's the way. This is the kind of guy we're actually looking for in the community because we know we can work with him, and the guy will understand, and the guy will execute. So, man, we salute you in the crypto mindset. We salute you.
For sure. For sure.
Wolf,
CM.
Wolverine. I
Yeah. Oh
have
man, Wolverine is the best X-Men, man, for sure. Wolverine is the best X-Men. Though I think he's a happy animal Wolverine. It's an animal. It's like a honey badger. It's a very strong animal. So yeah, happy Wolverine. Flip Flop is saying thank you, Flip or Flop. Thank you, Flip or Flop. John Doe is trying to push us to say KASPA is going to go to $5. John Doe, man, you're lost, man.
the guy is cooked.
Man is cooked, man. Cooked. Nico, press the fucking like button. CM, that's for you, man.
Cook the like, my friend. Cook the like. Can you share
Exactly.
at what time and
It's
date?
gonna be 9 a.m. EST, okay? 9 a.m. EST, June 4th, so this Wednesday, okay? But it's gonna be recorded, CM. Like every seminar we make, it's gonna be recorded, and people will be able to watch it again and again and again and again for life. Okay? So you'll be
Absolutely.
able to watch it all the time. So join, it doesn't matter if you can join or not. Take it, make sure you buy it now because after the seminar we don't sell it anymore. Okay, it's cooked. If you want to come to the seminar, you need to buy it now, and then you can watch it later if you can't attend. Okay, so
By the way, Jumbo, I want to explain to people where we are, like in the cycle, and why they should really attend this webinar. Okay, look, Bitcoin, we believe. Okay, we believe Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin just had 7 weekly bars in a row in the green. Okay, we expect some kind of a red candles here to form. Whether it's gonna go a little bit higher, to trap more people, whether it's gonna do that or whether it started here and pull back. So we're looking for a pullback in Bitcoin into June. Okay, by the way, happy June, everybody. Tomorrow is June. So we're looking for a pullback into June for Bitcoin. Okay, now this pullback, again, pullback. Okay, not a crash. Okay, we're looking for a pullback and then another leg up for Bitcoin to 150. Okay, now on the pullback, you're going to get tons of buying opportunities on altcoins, but you want to know how to select these altcoins. You don't want to buy the rug pulls. You don't want to buy the ones that are bearish and have tons of resistance overhead. You want to buy the shiny names that you don't even know they are shiny because you don't follow charts like we do. We have a list of banging names that look exactly like Matic in 2020 or KASPA in 2022 or 2023. Man, and once Bitcoin will complete its pullback, you will see that many names that we're going to tell you will start pumping first. And these are the names, these are the leaders of the
exactly.
next leg up. That's why you want to attend. You don't want to be holding rubbish because remember, the Bitcoin bull run, the clock is ticking. Once the Bitcoin bull run is over, your altcoins are cooked. It's not even cooked, man. Your altcoins are fucked. Fucked, man. People don't understand, Joe. People think, really, people believe, they think they can do altcoins can do something without the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the life of this market. You take Bitcoin out or you make Bitcoin bearish, this market is man, this market is a mega scam. Okay, all the market, once Bitcoin is bearish, it is over. Then it is over. Short everything. Go to the hills, man. Go to the hills. That's it. That's it. So really, that's why
And by the way, me and you, we love shorting, man. We love shorting, man.
I'm now printing, man, with shorting. I have like few shorts, man. Already hit some targets up 20% on a turbo short, man. Like, man, you know.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Anyway, Jomo, let's wrap it up. I think you're hungry.
I'm hungry, man. And the Bulls. No, the Bulls are not doing anything, actually. I just like this shirt, man. Hey, we invite everyone to come to the Crypto Gem Hunter. This is for you. If you actually want to make money, okay, in trading crypto, you need to understand what you're doing. Come to the Crypto Gem Hunter. We invite you to come. These are things we do for you guys. We don't need them, okay? This is for you, okay? And it's dirt cheap because we want it to be affordable for you guys to come over and learn from what we have to say. We want to teach you, just like we drop alpha on these, on these lives. We drop very, very ordinary and good and organized alpha on the Crypto Gem Hunters in all our seminars. People come to our seminars over and over again. A, because it's cheap, and B, because of the value is so underrated, because we want to give it for you guys. We want to give back to the community. Love everyone. Thank you, Christoph is going to come to the seminar. Ralph is going to come to the seminar. Wolverine is going to come. What?
Christoph is addicted. That's it, man. After the last seminar, the guy is addicted because he knows, okay, I'm paying like, how much is it? 100 for the webinar, whatever, man. But I'm
Yeah.
getting free money trading, ideas that really work. You can see, you know, he knows, man. You know, he knows. That's it. That's it. He knows. That's it, man.
Look at Ralph saying that he's making so much money. Look, we didn't guarantee these people any money, but we told them that with us, what they can do is learn how we do things. And hey, this is what they're doing by themselves. We're not telling them. This is, evidence from our people. So come, you should come join. Thank you. He's a VIP lifetime membership. Thank you very much for being with us. We appreciate it. CM, I'm bouncing. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy weekend, everyone. Have a fantastic next week. Have a fantastic June. CM, until next time, no